Let's talk about solving mixture problems using matrices. For example, we want to produce a mixture of 3 herbal teas. Chamomile, this is a beautiful picture from Mountain Rose Herbs, place that sells teas. Raspberry, and mint. We want 10 pounds of the tea mixture. That's quite a bit of tea. We want twice as much raspberry leaves as chamomile. We charge $28 for a pound of chamomile, $14.50 for a pound of raspberry leaves, and $22 for a pound of mint. We want to charge $20 per pound of the mixture, and we want the mixture to cost as much as the teas would cost if they were sold separately. Determine how much of each tea should go in the mixture: chamomile, raspberry, and mint. So let's choose our variables accordingly. If that's what we want to know, that's how we choose our variables. Let C equal the number of pounds of chamomile in the mixture, R equal the number of pounds of raspberry leaves in the mixture, and M equal the number of pounds of mint in the mixture. We want 10 pounds of the tea mixture. C plus R plus M equals 10. We want twice as much raspberry leaves as chamomile, so R equals 2C. Be careful, don't get it the other way around. We charge $28 for a pound of chamomile, $14.50 for a pound of raspberry leaves, and $22 for a pound of mint. We want to charge $20 per pound of the mixture. We want the mixture to cost as much as the teas would cost if they were sold separately. So this is the cost of the teas if they are sold separately. We have C pounds of chamomile, and it sells for $28 a pound. So we're going to charge 28C for the chamomile that's in the mixture. In the same way, this is how much we'll charge for the raspberry that's in the mixture, and this is how much we'll charge for the mint that's in the mixture. That's if they are sold separately. But if they are all sold together, well, we have $20 for a pound of mixture, and we have 10 pounds of mixture. So that's the cost if they are sold together. Cost if sold separately, cost if sold together. The two should be equal. So we end up with these 3 equations. Let's simplify it. 20 times 10 is 200. Let's get everything on one side except the constants. There's our matrix, our augmented matrix. When we get this in reduced echelon form, we end up with that. Well, that's our answer. We put 2.222 pounds of chamomile in the mixture, 4.444 pounds of raspberry leaves in the mixture, and 3.333 pounds of mint in the mixture.